Hi, I'm Alan from MeasureSquare. Today I'll be going over the new MeasureSquare Countertop Cost Calculator, how it works, and how it will benefit your business. If you work in the countertop industry or are just interested in calculating how much your countertop project will cost, keep on watching. These days, many customers are doing their research and getting estimates online. However, not many countertop stores have the capability to provide accurate, detailed estimates to these customers over the web. Typically, either a sales rep has to be sent to a property or the customer goes to the store with measurements, which takes a fair amount of effort. This calculator makes it much easier for both store reps and customers. It can calculate quantities and costs of countertops and their common add-ons, such as wall splash and edge finish. It can also generate a PDF report for people to print out and bring to a store. You can easily add this calculator to your website, integrating it to your sales process if desired. I'll give you a quick overview of how you would use this calculator. There are 3 basic steps. Select your product using these product tiles. Select your countertop shape from these options here, and then customizing your countertop details down here. So I'll start by selecting a product. I'll select this Andino white granite by clicking on this product tile. Then I'm going to add a countertop. I'll add this simple rectangular shape. You can see down here that the shape is added, and you can see all the edges labeled A through D and their dimensions labeled here. To start, I'll just change the length of side A. I'll make it 126 inches. I can also add wall splash here by clicking on Splash, and I'll do the same thing for sides D and B. Next, I'll add an L-shaped countertop. And as before, I'll also customize it. I'll click on Splash for sides A and F, and against wall to indicate that those sides have a wall but don't have any wall splash. Next, I can add a few more options. I can add a cutout by clicking on this little pop-out section here and select one cutout, and then select what kind of cutout I want to go along with it. I'll just click on a standard undermount. I can also select the type of edge finish that I want. Right now, it's a basic polished edge, and now I'll just select a half bullnose. Now that we're done with customizing our countertop, I'll move on to the summary at right. Here you can see the total estimated cost of this project, the product information, and a breakdown of your countertops, which shows them as a list. If you want to generate a PDF report, simply click on Export to PDF. On this PDF report, you'll see all the product information you saw before, like the product information and the breakdown of your countertops here, as well as the specific information for each countertop, such as the area, number of cutouts, quantity of edge finish. If you want to email this, simply click on Email Estimate and type in an email address here. Then click Send Email. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in having this calculator on your website, please contact API@MeasureSquare.com.